So the latest trend, we can see a lot of phones have skins that is naked, like this one. And really, it looks so nice. It's like you have tear down your phone. And I have here on my hand is the Poco X3 Pro. Having this skin is really looking awesome and really a standout, rather than that old and common design which you, me, him, everyone has the same design all over again. So I have this one, the skin made by our friend from Techbeast. And of course, I want to give a quick shout out to my friend Sir Rads, the owner of Techbeast, for giving me this sample to try on. It's really awesome. And of course, this is the package that we have received from Techbeast. So how about let's go ahead and unbox this one. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick. So today I have this awesome package from Techbeast, and you can follow them at Facebook on their page Techbeast Philippines, and of course their YouTube page Techbeast PH, and of course their IG Techbeast PH. So of course we want to support local, so that's why I'm here to unbox these skins from Techbeast. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there are a lot of skins here, so we'll check it out one by one and see if there's still something inside. And yes, there's two Techbeast stickers, so I'll put one here. Okay, it's just like a logo, looks nice. So you can see here, this one is definitely for Poco X3 Pro. The camera module is definitely the one. Then we have here another one for Poco X3 Pro, which is really looking nice. And this one, Poco X3 Pro, definitely. And this one is for the Mi 10T Pro, or the Mi 10T, which I just sold a couple of months ago back. Now this one is for the Redmi Note 9S or the Redmi Note 9 Pro. They have the same back case, so this one is definitely very welcoming. Okay, so yeah, I have two of them, and luckily I still have my Redmi Note 9S here. Now let's talk a little bit about the materials used on this skin or sticker. It's a 3M ultra matte finish. It's imported vinyl, definitely matte finish. It really looks nice. You don't see any fingerprints here. Then definitely it's water resistant. Now there's another property that I really like on this one. It is girlfriend or wife proof. Let's say that they threw your phone on the floor or somewhere far away. I'm pretty sure that this one would not sustain any damage, but your phone might be cracked. The glass at the back might be cracked, but this one would still be intact. So I can say that this one is girlfriend or wife proof, especially when you change oil and you got caught. This one definitely will save your phone. I'm not quite sure about the back case, but this one definitely will still be intact. So definitely, first things first, I have to clean up the back of this phone to make sure that it's clean, and of course free from all those lints and dust that might be obstruction on the way. Now let me tell you a story while I'm cleaning this one up. So right now I'm wiping off using the wet cloth that was provided. Okay. So yeah, I was having a quick chat with Sir Rads, the owner of Techbeast, and we were sharing some stories. So was able to see some of his works, Ultra Instinct Goku and Naruto being printed at the back of their phones, which is really nice piece of art. And I told him this is something that probably most girlfriends or most wifeys would really love to have. Now let's say that I print the sticker On this sticker, the face of the wife and probably the family, and while the guy is asleep, you can place it on here. You have the face of the wife. Now, it will prevent your guy from going out for a change oil or whatever you call it. And definitely, he would always be remembered that, hey, I have a family over here. So, yeah, I urge all of you girls out there who have their boyfriends together with them. This is really something that you might want really to invest on, is to print your face and place it at the back of their phone. Of course, you can change your wallpaper, but this one, you could hardly change it. It takes a little time, of course, and patience to do all this works. And of course, you can thank me later. So let's go back cleaning this phone. Make sure that you really wipe it clean and no smudges and no lints. Let's use this one, the dust remover. Okay, so yeah, just like that. Take off all the dust that you see to make sure that, well, it's dust proof, dust free, not dust proof. Okay, so I guess that's it. First things first, let's take this one off and stick it to the mirror. Okay, so have to be pretty much careful. Might want to use a blade which is sharp enough to help you pull this one off. So slowly, make sure that your hands are clean before doing this one. And definitely you have to be very careful and center it here. Make sure that it's centered before you place it. Okay, so once you see that it's centered already, use this one, use a squeegee, push it. Okay, so all the air, the bubbles will go out. Okay, so yeah, the edges is good. I guess this is good enough. Now, so I still see some little lints over here. So yeah, some little dust, micro dust still flying around. So let's take it out. So next thing is, of course, to place it on the phone. This one, the skin. Be careful not to tear it apart. So even that it's a 3M material, of course, having those bad tears will definitely destroy the skin. So be careful. Okay, so remove it. There we go. So have to place it carefully here. Okay, so have to take into consideration this LED light. So yeah, I don't think it's that centered that much. So I have to do it a little more centered. So so let's try one last time. So there you go. Guess this one is the best centered position that I get. So yeah, let's just make sure that you have something like this one, the squeegee. Okay, so while I'm pulling the back one, okay, so let's give you a better view. There you go. So while I'm pulling this one towards me, I'm pushing this squeegee down. Okay, so down, down, down it go. Okay, until the very end. You have to be careful. Okay, so yeah, I've seen that it's really nice. So make sure all the edges is good. Okay, so and like this. Now the next thing that you'll notice that the corners is uneven. Okay, notice that the corners are not even, so you'll be needing a blower or hair dryer to make it elastic before it will hang on properly. So let's get our hair dryer. So right now I have my hair dryer here. Let's blow hot air to this one, to this portion. Okay, so it's sticking up pretty good. So blow onto the four corners. And yeah, this hair dryer is pretty hot. Okay, so I can say that using a hair dryer is good enough to place all the stickers properly. It's really nice. Okay, just really need to push it a little bit more. There you go. So there we have it. My Redmi Note 9S is already covered with a very nice skin from our friends at Techbeast PH. So it's really nice to see a Filipino company here doing this stuff during this time of the year, the pandemic, which yeah, I can say that this is really innovative for them to tear down the phone just to make this diagram, this rear sticker, or what we call skin, for us. Now, I'll be posting the link below where you can message our friends over at Techbeast. Well, basically it's here, Techbeast Philippines, for their Facebook page. They also have their YouTube channel, Techbeast PH, and of course your IG channel, Techbeast PH. So do make sure to follow them. And yeah, I'm really happy and excited for this one. Probably the next one I'll be buying from them is probably a Gadget Sidekick logo over here, and this one might have a Xiaomi review logo over here. So what do you think, guys? So comment on the comment section below what phone you have and what skin you like to have. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for us, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So I hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye.